going to talk about inflation, but energy prices are going to come down. We've got Taylor Riggs. Here she is, co-host of the Big Money Show right here on Fabulous Fox Biz. Weekdays, noon to 2 p.m. Eastern. And the great John Carney, ace financial analyst. First of all, the Trump revelation today, his oil stash, they've let through 200 ships, 100 million barrels of oil. It not only stopped $200, it's down 20% in the last month. This is over the past. If this keeps up, and there's no reason why they can't do it again, we control the whole thing. People may be surprised at the oil story and hence the inflation story. That's my hypothesis.
I think you're right. Inflation is being driven by oil right now. When that starts to come off, and as people realize a lot more oil is getting out, I think that will bring down the prices of oil and bring down gasoline prices very quickly after that.
What was your point? You said the universe of price hikes narrowed.
Yes.
I don't want you to forget.
So inflation did not broaden. The big fear was that we were going to see leakage from energy into the rest of goods. It narrowed. More than 50% of core goods actually fell in price in May. So we're seeing a broadening of deflation and a narrowing of inflation.
So Taylor, market's correct. There are a million reasons why market's correct. Maybe they're worried about higher interest rates. It's interesting to me, President Trump last Friday did not lobby for lower interest rates. He took the job numbers were big numbers. The economy is growing beautifully. His new mantra is no increasing of interest rates, which kind of backs up Kevin Warsh, I think.
I think so. Instead of pressuring him to cut, you just say, don't hike, stay pat. Let's wait for all of this to play out and stay put. Larry, you know me. Stocks go up and then stocks go down, right? But look, in all seriousness, we had an unpleasant day. I think my concern is you had a big sell-off Friday. We tried to rebound Monday, and then we sold off Tuesday and Wednesday. So I'm sort of wondering right now in this fragile market sentiment, where are things? I think I had a great guest on Clayman who said there's a lot of about $400 billion on money that's waiting to be deployed for the SpaceX IPO on Friday.
Ooh.
All of that money is, you're selling what you can in the market.
To get ready, to make room.
So again, I don't want to make light of it.
Like
this was a sell-off day. But
you fast for a couple of days and you're out to a fancy restaurant.
But look, there were so many valuation concerns that this is just a healthy reset, I think, for the market to be able to say valuations now are more appropriately attractive.
Trump's going to kick some Iranian butt now. We know that's coming, and it may be major. My point here is this business about the Strait of Hormuz is perhaps no one knew, but now Project Freedom, they've been doing it surreptitiously, in secret, right? So let's say in the month of June, let's say another 200 ships with 100 million barrels of oil get through. What does that do? And then let's say you can discount in July the same thing. That is going to bring down inflation faster. It's going to bring down gasoline prices faster.
It's also a moment of humility. A lot of people thought they understood exactly what was going on in the oil market. In fact, we have 100 million barrels coming out of the Persian Gulf that people who are experts in this did not even know was there. That is actually going to make people, I think, more confident about the future rather than less confident, so it's a very good sign.
All right, I love that story. It's the way Kudlow covers the CPI. We already mentioned it. John Carney, Taylor Riggs, terrific stuff.